Now we're going to talk about the grid now. What I would like you to do, if you follow what I'm doing, up here on the top menu bar, click on this button here, which is the options. So you click on options. It allows you to display the information in inches, and basically here your X and your Y coordinates are displayed in inches because of this selection. You can also display it in millimeters. If someone downloaded this program in Europe, outside the US, most of the countries use millimeters. We'll keep it in inches because that's what we use. The next little area here is the grid spacing. Remember earlier that when we went from one grid dot to the next one, the spacing was 0.2. I can change that, okay? And actually, sometimes, if you have a fast computer and you don't, it doesn't slow you down, it may be easier for you if you have your grid spacing to 50 mils, 50 thousandths of an inch, which agrees with the Snap-to grid spacing. Okay, so if you make that 50 as the Snap-to grid and click OK, you're gonna see that you're gonna have many more grid dots on your screen. So if we do that, okay, and if I zoom in, okay, look at that. If I go on the collector of this transistor, the X coordinate of the transistor is 450, and this next grid dot here should be 0.5. Okay, 450 mils, 500 mils. The next dot should be 550. The next one is 600. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to the options menu and look at other options that we have. The status bar, okay, is checked. This is your status bar down here, which shows you the X and the Y coordinates and the snap. If you don't want that to be visible, you can uncheck this, okay? If for whatever reason you would like to gain some space on your computer, that would be a reason to uncheck this. Otherwise, leave it as is. The next tab is colors. If you click on the colors tab allows you to change the default colors that we use. The background. You did? Yeah. Okay. So the background is white, the wires are black. So I suggest to leave everything alone. Don't change anything, so that if you have a question and we communicate, and you're gonna tell me, hey, you know, the symbol is highlighted, it should be highlighted with or selected with the blue. Okay. If you change this, then if you have a problem and you try to communicate it to me, that won't be helpful. Now, why should you change colors, and when should you change colors? If you have difficulties differentiating between colors, people who have color blindness or mild color blindness, and you cannot differentiate, let's say, red from brown or things like that, then go ahead and change those colors so you will make the tool work for you. Okay? But if you don't have any issues with your eyes, leave the colors the way they are. Okay? If you made any changes, click on the default. It will bring them back to whatever it came from the factory. Okay, miscellaneous. Did he talk to you about this? Okay, this is where all of your schematics and all of your work goes. Okay, then default is the Mind Documents directory on your computer, and then under Mind Documents, the program created an Express PCB folder, and all of the work is saved in there. Okay? Printed circuit board. Now, if you brought your flash drive with you and you would like to automate this to go automatically into your flash drive, you need to find out what the drive letter is for the flash drive. And let's say the flash drive was the letter F. I'm just making it up. Okay? And then it's different from computer to computer. So let's say on mine it's F. And then you had a folder which you created. I suggest you create a folder with the name of the class. Huh? Or you can use the number. ET, what is it? 1724. Okay. So if really exists, this I just made up, and it tells me this path doesn't exist. But you can go ahead and create this. So while you're working here, all of your work goes automatically onto your flash drive, and you don't need to worry about it. Okay. Otherwise, if you haven't done that, it is saved on your under Mind Documents, Express PCB, and when you finish with your session before you leave, then copy everything from there to your flash drive. Okay. So I'm going to go to the default, and then I'm going to cancel everything, and I'm out onto my schematic. Okay? Yes?
You need to show me how to move it. Yeah, I was trying to put a square around it. I couldn't get it to move.
Trying to move a part?
My schematic down in the middle.
Okay.
Away from the top.
Okay, what you need to do, you need to go have your selection tool. Click on this on the arrow, and then you need to put a rectangle around the parts that you want to move. So you're gonna position your mouse, left click, and then drag and select the area, and then let your left mouse and your right hand go, and then everything that has been selected should be now with a blue color. And then you move the mouse over any blue line. Okay, and then left click and keep down the left mouse, and then with the right hand, drag the parts that you have selected anywhere you want on the screen, and once you have them where you want, then you let go with the okay, let me come over there and help you.